Yo, yo, yo. It's International Food Week here at MRK, and we are traversing the globe through food. This episode, we're taking a vacay to the sunny white sand beaches and clear waters of the Caribbean and making a dish from my childhood in the US Virgin Islands, Johnnycakes. So welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. Now, the Johnnycake traditionally is a cornmeal flatbread that's originating from the native inhabitants, the Algonquians, I think I'm saying that right, Algonquians, here in North America. Now, it is still eaten in places like the West Indies, where my dad's actually from, the Dominican Republic, Saint Croix, where I lived once, Bermuda, Colombia, and the Bahamas, as well as the US, mostly in the New England area, and Canada. Though cornmeal is most commonly used, there are some versions like in Saint Croix, Jamaica, and the Dominican Republic that use flour instead. And that is the version that I know. So let's get started. All right, so in a large bowl, combine 3.5 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything so it's evenly distributed. Now cut 3 tablespoons of shortening into the mixture. Now you can do this fairly easy in a food processor or with a pastry cutter, but if you're doing it by hand, then what you're looking to do is rub the flour across the shortening, not squish, just a gentle rub. You're looking for the mixture to resemble coarse crumbs. Now add 1 1/4 cup of milk. Now we're mixing everything together, and then we're going to knead this until it's smooth and slightly elastic, just for a few minutes. Now I'm doing this in a bowl just to keep from making a mess, but you can also do this on a floured surface. And at this point, if the dough is too wet, then you're going to add some more flour, and if the dough is too dry, then you're going to add some more milk. Now you can cover this with plastic or a damp towel, and then you're gonna allow this to rest for 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes, and now we're ready to make these cakes. Pinch off a bit and roll it into a ball about the size of a golf ball. Now we're gonna flatten these out either with your fingers, the palm of your hand, or you can do it with a rolling pin. They are going to puff up, so you wanna get them flattened quite a bit. Now, I have some oil that I have heated up, and we're gonna fry these until they're golden brown on both sides. Now, I'm pan frying these, but you can also deep fry these as well. Once they're done, you can slice these open and you can fill these with whatever you like some pulled pork and cheese for something savory. Or coated with some cinnamon sugar and filled with a cheesecake filling for a sweet dessert. Or you can just slather with some butter and have something simple. Then you get to enjoy this deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below whether you've had Johnny Cakes before or some of your favorite dishes from around the world. Thank you bunches for being here during my International Food Week. Stay tuned for an episode tomorrow, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.